Ready to transform your look? These 20 short styles change everything. Texturized Pixie with Wispy Bangs. This texturized pixie with wispy bangs is ideal for thinning hair, as it creates instant crown volume and softens harsh facial lines. Classic Layered Bob. The classic layered bob is perfect for women seeking timeless elegance while adding movement and fullness to limp locks. Edgy Asymmetric Crop. This bold asymmetric crop suits confident women looking to draw attention away from fine lines and emphasize their striking jawline. Soft Feathered Shag. The soft feathered shag is excellent for adding youthful volume and texture to naturally wavy hair without requiring heavy styling. Tapered Pixie Bob. A tapered pixie bob beautifully complements oval and heart-shaped faces by elongating the neck and lifting the overall facial features. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Voluminous Cropped Curls. Voluminous cropped curls are perfect for embracing natural texture while giving structure and bounce to mature curly hair. Sleek Inverted Bob. The sleek inverted bob offers a sharp, modern silhouette that defines the cheekbones and suits those who prefer a polished look. Spiky Textured Pixie. A spiky textured pixie is the ultimate low-maintenance wash-and-go look that injects playful, youth-infused energy into everyday style. French Girl Chin Bob. The French Girl Chin Bob pairs beautifully with glasses, adding an artistic, intellectual charm while framing the jaw softly. Shaved Sides Bold Pixie. This bold pixie with shaved sides is designed for daring women who want an ultra-modern, rebellious, yet sophisticated look. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Rounded Layered Bob. The rounded layered bob is exceptional for flat hair, building natural density and a soft, feminine contour around the cheekbones. Choppy Crop for fine hair. A choppy crop utilizes uneven, jagged layers to maximize the illusion of thickness and density for very fine or thinning hair. Elegant Bixie Cut. The elegant Bixie Cut blends the shortness of a pixie with the fullness of a bob, offering the perfect balance of volume and length. Wispy Layered Crop for waves. A wispy layered crop is ideal for women with natural waves who want a lightweight, frizz-free style that emphasizes texture. Blunt Textured Lob. The blunt textured lob provides a clean, heavy baseline that makes thin ends look immediately thicker, healthier, and full of life. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Short Boyish Pixie. The short boyish pixie emphasizes beautiful facial structure and high cheekbones, making it a powerful choice for minimalists. Volume Boosted Wedge Cut. The volume boosted wedge cut features sharp angles and steep stacked layers, giving extreme body and lift to fine limp hair. Wispy Shaggy Bob. The Wispy Shaggy Bob is ideal for women who want to camouflage forehead lines while maintaining a playful, modern texture. Slicked Back Modern Pixie. This slicked back modern pixie is perfect for formal occasions, opening up the face completely to highlight radiant skin and statement jewelry. Stacked Pixie Bob with Deep Side Part. The stacked pixie bob with a deep side part dramatically rebalances facial symmetry, adding heavy side-swept volume to thinning fronts. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.